Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm here with another easy, delicious yet simple recipe, creamy meatballs. So in a bowl we're going to add breadcrumbs, and we're going to grate a whole onion into the breadcrumbs. And the reason why we're grating our onions is because it really releases the onion juices, giving it more of the onion flavor into the recipe. Then we're going to go ahead and add in 4 garlics. We're not going to grate these, we're just going to chop them up finely and we're going to add them to the dish. Next we're going to add our main ingredient, which is obviously mince. It wouldn't be meatballs without the mince. Then we're going to add the ketchup, mustard, soy sauce, 2 eggs, curry powder, and your favorite beef mix seasoning. Once everything is added to the minced meat, we're going to thoroughly mix it all together so we can start making our balls. In case you haven't already, please give my channel a subscribe, like this video for more upcoming recipes. Now back to the video. We're going to create small meatballs and fry them in some hot oil. Make sure the oil is really hot. We're going to fry them for 1 to 2 minutes on each side or until they're completely brown. We don't need to overcook them because they're going to be simmering in the broth later. We just want to make sure we fry them so they can hold their form and they're slightly cooked. Once they're done, we're going to set that aside and we're going to begin on our broth. So starting with carrots and garlic, you can actually use whichever vegetable you want. Here we could use mushrooms, we could use potatoes, any vegetables which you fancy. This is where you'd add it. You're going to fry it with garlics, and we're going to fry them down until they're soft. And then we're going to add our beef stock, curry powder, black pepper, and the natural yogurt for the creaminess. Mix that all in. Don't worry if the yogurt starts to curd, it's going to eventually smooth out. We're going to add in our corn flour for the thickness, and then we're going to mix that thoroughly with a fork or a whisk because we don't want to get any lumps in them. So make sure you just mix it for around 1 or 2 minutes until there's no more lumps. Once the flour is all mixed in and there's no lumps, we're going to add in our meatballs. Make sure to gently mix the meatballs into the broth, and the broth is covering all the meatballs. And we're going to put it on low and we're going to let it simmer for around 10 minutes. Or we're going to let it simmer until the broth is thick, and then we're going to give it 5 more extra minutes to cook. And then your meatballs are ready. We're going to serve those with some mashed potatoes and enjoy. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Cook with Sakira. See you in the next video. Bye.